Have you ever looked at an avocado seed and thought, can this really help my hair grow? It turns out, you're not alone. Right now, avocado seed and olive oil are trending in the natural hair care world, especially for those looking to grow longer, thicker, and healthier hair. But does it actually work? Or is it just another internet trend? In this video, I'm going to break it all down. Why this combo is gaining popularity, how to properly prepare it, how to apply it to your hair, and what results to realistically expect. Let's get into it. Let's start with why avocado seed and olive oil are being used together for hair growth. First up, avocado seed. You may not realize it, but the pit of the avocado contains powerful antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolics, as well as amino acids and trace minerals. These compounds are believed to help reduce inflammation in the scalp, stimulate blood circulation, and support healthier follicles. Now, pair that with olive oil, a well-known moisturizing and strengthening agent that penetrates the hair shaft, reduces breakage, and nourishes the scalp. Olive oil is rich in oleic acid, squalene, and vitamin E, all of which help moisturize dry hair and create the perfect environment for hair to grow. When combined, avocado seed and olive oil may work synergistically to stimulate blood flow to the scalp, reduce scalp inflammation, strengthen weak strands, and support new hair growth, especially along thinning edges or breakage-prone areas. So far, so good. But let's get into how to actually prepare this oil correctly. Now here's how to properly use avocado seed and olive oil to make your hair growth oil at home. Step 1. Clean and dry the seed. After scooping out your avocado, rinse the seed well to remove any green residue. Let it air dry on a plate for at least 24 to 48 hours. This hardens the seed, making it easier to grind. Step 2. Grate or blend the seed. Once dried, you can either grate the seed using a cheese grater or cut it into small pieces and blend it into a fine powder using a strong blender. It should appear light brown or reddish in color. Don't worry, that's normal. Step 3. Infuse with olive oil. Take about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the avocado seed powder and mix it into half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Pour the mixture into a pan and gently heat it using a double boiler method for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally, but do not overheat or microwave the oil. This can damage the nutrients. Once done, allow it to cool, then strain the oil using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove any seed particles. Pour your finished oil into a clean bottle or jar and store it in a cool, dark place. And there you have it, your avocado seed and olive oil hair growth blend is ready. Now that you've made the oil, here's how to use it effectively. Option 1. Scalp massage treatment. Apply the oil directly to your scalp using an applicator bottle or your fingertips. Massage gently for about 5 to 10 minutes in circular motions. This increases blood circulation and helps the oil absorb. Cover your hair with a satin bonnet or shower cap and leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for deeper nourishment. Then rinse and shampoo as normal. Option 2. Hot oil treatment. Warm up a small amount of the oil. Don't overheat it. Apply it to damp hair and cover with a shower cap. Wrap a warm towel around your head or sit under a hooded dryer for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse, condition, and style as usual. Option 3. Sealant for ends. Apply a few drops to the ends of your hair after moisturizing. This helps lock in hydration, reduce split ends, and give your curls or coils a natural sheen. You can use this oil 1 to 2 times a week depending on your hair's condition. Be careful not to use too much at once, especially if you have fine or low porosity hair. It may cause buildup. Now let's talk results. When used consistently, many users report a healthier scalp, softer, shinier strands, less breakage and shedding, and improved thickness over time. However, it's important to note that results vary. This is not a magical overnight solution. Natural remedies take time, often 4 to 8 weeks before you notice any real difference. If you're dealing with hair loss due to hormonal issues like PCOS or stress, this oil can support growth, but you should also address the root cause with a doctor. Pair your hair care routine with a healthy diet, scalp massages, and protective styling to maximize your results. So, does avocado seed and olive oil actually help with hair growth? The answer is yes, it can. When used correctly, it supports a healthy scalp, strengthens your strands, and creates the conditions your hair needs to grow. It's natural, affordable, and easy to make. Just be consistent and patient. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural hair care tips. Comment below if you've tried this remedy, or if you're planning to, and let's support each other on this journey to stronger, healthier hair. Thanks for watching.